lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Angel Mbets. I appreciate you all, my new subscribers and my old ones. Thank you again for subscribing. Today's video is all about doing it yourself, DIY. I'm going to show you how you can transform your denim jeans into denim shorts. I know some of you have these denim pants that you've been wearing for some time and you're wondering, now that it's summer, how am I going to wear them in this summer, because it's very hot. Like, you want something which is a bit comfortable, a bit short. So this explains this scissor. I'm going to show you how I cut my denim pants into denim shorts with a bit of hot girl summer, you know, these fringes at the bottom. I think you've seen these denim pants. So I'm going to do it myself for the first time. Let's see what I come up with. This is what I've come up with. I decided to cut them more so that they are a bit tiny to bring out a flowy, you know, summer-ish vibe. So let me try it on and we'll see. I hope you've liked the video. I hope you've really liked how I've done to my denim jeans. I really like the outcome. The pants look amazing. So guys, if you really like this video, just help me and subscribe to my channel. Just click the subscribe button below And then don't forget to like and don't forget to comment. Bye bye.